Hello friends, welcome to Coding with Bharat. So in this video I'm going to explain you the first C program. Okay, so we all know the first C program is the Hello World program. So let's begin. So firstly we will code hashtag include angler bracket open stdio.h angler bracket closed. So this line is nothing but a preprocessor directive. Okay, so uh, preprocessor directive is nothing but which tells the compiler to include the standard input and output libraries. Okay, so the library provides functions like printf and scanf for input and output operations. Okay, so now in the next line we will code int main brackets open curly brace open. So this is the main function of the program. So in C programming every program must have a main brackets open function. Okay, so now coming to printf statement. So printf hello world and semicolon. So printf stands for print formatted. Okay, so this stands for printing this code in the console, so it is used to display the output on the console. So in the case it prints the string hello world. So now coming to return 0 semicolon, the return statement is used to return a value from a function. So now we will run the program. So here we can see that hello world is printed in our console. So that's all. Thank you for watching.